Please be sure to click on the like button and remember to subscribe to our channel so we can share our latest content with you. Once the other party picks up, my call is live. I can see that there in the display. If I've got additional callers, as we've seen with prior generations of Polyphones, I'll get lines and lines of additional phone calls that cascade in the display. So right now I've got my one call. I still have my traditional hard key for holds and transfers. I have a cancel key. I can put my party on hold. I can resume. If I want to transfer a call to another party, I still have a transfer key. Away I go. And I can pick up the call at the next party. Now I've got the call here. Pretty much the same functionality here. One thing that I like with the new phone, in my message display, I still have an indicator of messages on hold, but it's much more subtle than what we had in the past. For those that you remember that, we had the blinking red light in the upper red-hand corner. This is a little bit more subtle. It's a little less distracting. I have my message indicator, and now my message indicator tells me exactly how many messages I've got waiting. Still have my message key here. I can select, go to my message key.
Welcome to the messaging service.
Follow the prompts and check my messages. Same thing like we had before. I have a redial key, thank goodness, so I can redial my last party. Buttons for all our usual functions. My headset. Again, there's my speaker. I can mute my call. All that's the same. My menu key is fairly the same. My functions are the same. This is still the Poly directory. They haven't made any monumental changes here. If you have any questions, let us know. We're here to help, not only with recommendations, but if you need any type of training or setup assistance, we're here. Thank you, and have a great day.